Good morning, students. Today we will have few fun activities through which we are going to learn one important concept of geography. Are you ready? Wait, I'll give you a few instructions. First of all, you will observe all these activities or descriptions. You will listen carefully. Second thing, you will compare and find out similarities. Let us start. First of all, I would like to say about my childhood experience. After the rainy season or after the rainfall, we were getting wet in the rain and spinning around ourselves, and we were chanting few rhymes too. Same like this object, we were spinning around ourselves and singing few rhymes. Similar things we do after Arati of any god or goddess. After doing Arati, we do we start chanting mantras and move around ourselves. Elderly people do this seriously. They goes on saying while spinning around themselves or moving around themselves. Tvameva mata pita tvameva tvameva bandhu sakha tvameva. Small kids like to enjoy this. They goes on moving round and round. Third thing, I have an object with me. What is this? A ring. Look what I am doing with this. This ring is moving around. This ring is moving around the axis. Axis? Yes. It's an imaginary line which passes through the center of it. This ring is spinning around its axis. Are you able to find out few similarities of these three important examples? I would like to give you one more example. Look at this chair. What I am doing with this, it's spinning on its base. This chair is spinning on its base. That ring was rotating around its axis. Now, look at the model. This is a small model of Earth mounted on axis. Axis is an imaginary line passing through the center. This is North Pole, South Pole. And the axis, it's an imaginary line which is connecting these two points. This Earth, seen there, planet Earth is moving around, it's moving on its axis. What is this called? Rotation. What is rotation? Rotation is spinning of Earth on its axis from west to east once in 24 hours. When I started moving on the stair, how I started moving? Look at me carefully. I started with my left hand side to right hand side. How the earth is moving? Earth is moving from west to east. But what we can see? We can see all heavenly bodies, sun and moon, appears to be moved from east to west. But actually what is moving? Earth is spinning around its axis from west to east. This experience is similar similar to the experience of traveling through a train. Whenever we are traveling in a train and if you look outside the window, what you can see, all the trees, buildings, all are moving backside fast. Whether the trees and buildings are moving? No. We are moving ahead. It appears to be that the trees and buildings are going back. Same thing happens with the earth. Actually, earth is spinning from west to east and we feel that all heavenly bodies are moving from east to west. How much time is required for me to spinning around myself? How much time I required? Observe carefully. Hardly 2 to 3 minutes, right? But for spinning of the earth on its axis west to east once in 24 hours, earth required 24 hours to spin around itself. Actually, it is 23 hours, 56 seconds, 4.09 seconds, but approximately you can call it as a 24 hours. So what is rotation? Rotation is spinning of earth around on its axis from west to east in 24 hours, once in 24 hours. So this rotating chair will give you an experimental understanding. By sitting on chair, you yourself can experience feeling of spinning around yourself. Will you try to do this? You sit on a rotating chair and yourself, you will get the concept. It will make you connect to the concept directly. So today, what we have learned, children? We have learned definition of rotation. I'll repeat it once again. It has 3 areas or 3 points. So what are those? Earth, 3 points. If you want to talk about Earth, rotation is spinning of Earth on its axis from west to east once in 24 hours. I hope you are able to understand this concept. Thank you.